The significance of Sandhya Vandanam. Gayatri, Savitri, Saraswati, the Lord Surya, the giver of wealth and health, Lord Narayana, who exists in all creatures and controls them, are the presiding deities of Sandhya Vandanam. It is our duty to please them through dhyana, japa, tarpana, pradakshina namaskara, etc. The union of Prakriti means nature and Purusha means man is the cause of creation. Human lives in the lap of the nature. The holy blessed sages have performed penances and gained the welfare and bliss of the universe. The river which dances with its jingling anklets, the chirping of the birds, the holistic trees which sway peacefully by the blowing wind, the beautiful earth which is adored by green woods, these are the holy places for energizing divine rituals.
प्रातः संध्या वंदनम् अथ आचमनम्
देवान् भावयतानेन ते देवा भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ. Bhagavad Gita proclaims that all the deities and nature gods like sun, moon, fire, etc. are residing in us and guiding us always. It is our prime duty to remember their presence and pay obeisances to them all the time. It is important to gain internal and external purification at any procedure of religious rites. Thus, Achamanam is the one which involves sipping of the water 3 times and chanting the names of the gods, involves of paying gratitude to them and get ready for the rest of the events. Here, in this Achamanam procedure, 2 things must be noticed. Number 1, the water used for Achamanam should not be used for rest of the events. We have to throw the water and get the fresh water for the rest of the events. The second point is, when you see the Achamanam in the middle of the event, please do that Achamanam full procedure and then you proceed to the next event.
Om Rigvedaya Swaha, Om Yajurvedaya Swaha, Om Samavedaya Swaha, Om Atharvavedaya Namaha, Om Itihasa Puranebhyo Namaha, Om Agnaye Namaha, Om Agnaye Namaha, Om Vayave Namaha, Om Vayave Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Digbhyo Namaha, Om Digbhyo Namaha, Om Indraya Namaha, Om Indraya Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Prithivye Namaha, Om Prithivye Namaha, Om Atmane Namaha, ॐ अन्तरात्मने नमः। ॐ परमात्मने नमः। अथ ऊर्ध्वपुण्ड्रमुद्रादिधारणम्।
Urdhva Mudra Dharanam. It is important to have some sort of symbols or marks on the body to a religious practitioner. According to scripture, in the Madhva tradition, the religious practitioner should wear Gopi Chandana, Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana mudras daily. Gopi Chandana Papaghna Vishnu Deha Samudbhava Chakrankita Namastestu Dharanan Muktido Bhava. O Gopi Chandana, you are the destroyer of all sorts of sins. You are emanated from the body of Lord Vishnu. You have the marks of Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana. Please protect me always in my life. After wearing this Gopi Chandana, next Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana mudras should wear to continue the Sandhya Vandanam and other religious practices.
ॐ गोपीचन्दनपापघ्न विष्णुदेहसमुद्भव चक्राङ्कितनमस्तेऽस्तु धारणान्मुक्तिदो भव। ललाटे केशवं विद्यात् नारायणमथोदरे माधवं हृदये विद्यात् गोविन्दं कण्ठकूबरे उदरे दक्षिणे पार्श्वे विष्णुं विद्याद् विचक्षणः तत्पार्श्वे बाहुमूले तु धारयेन्मधुसूदनं त्रिविक्रमं कण्ठदेशे वामपार्श्वे तु वामनं श्रीधरं वामबाहौ तु हृषीकेशं गले लिखेत् पृष्ठे तु पद्मनाभं तु ककुद्दामोदरं न्यसेत् तत्प्रक्षालिततो येन वासुदेवेति मूर्ध्वनि सुदर्शनमुद्राधारणम् सुदर्शनमहाज्वाल कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अज्ञानान्धस्य मे नित्यं विष्णोर्मार्गं प्रदर्शय शङ्खमुद्राधारणम् पाञ्चजन्यनिजध्वान ध्वस्तपातकसञ्चय त्राहि मां पापिनं घोरसंसारार्णवपातिनम् गदामुद्राधारणम् ब्रह्माण्डभुवनारम्भमूलस्तम्भो गदाधरः कौमोदकीकरे यस्य तं नमामि गदाधरम् पद्ममुद्राधारणम् संसारभयभीतानां योगिनामभयप्रदः पद्महस्तेन यो देवो योगीशं तं नमाम्यहम् नारायणमुद्राधारणम् नारायण नमस्तेऽस्तु नाममुद्राङ्कितं नरम् दृष्ट्वैव लभते मुक्तिं चण्डालो ब्रह्मघातकः अथ आचमनम् ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा अथ प्राणायामः
जितासनो जितश्वासः जितसंगो जितेन्द्रियः. Pranayama. Pranayama helps us to get the victory over the breath and to purify the blood and get the long life. Pranayama, prana means breath, ayama means control. Once we get the control over breath, the mind indeed rests in tranquility. Now I am going to show the procedure of pranayama. The first procedure is close your left nostril with the last two fingers and exhale the air through right nostril. Then you take the air through the left nostril and hold it. Once you get the control of the breath, then mentally chant the Gayatri mantra. After the Gayatri mantra is chanted, slowly release the air through your right nostril. This procedure must be done thrice. This is called pranayama.
Pranavasya parabrahma rishihi Daivi Gayatri Chandaha Paramatma Devata Pranayame Viniyogaha Om Bhuh Om Bhuvaha Om Swaha Om Mahaha Om Janaha Om Tapaha Om Satyam Om Tatha Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Apo Jyotirasomrutam Brahma Bhurvasvarom Atha Sankalpaha.
Oath in the beginning and dedication at the end, these two are armors of any spiritual ritual. Mental and oral action of such and such work, in such and such day, in such and such place, desiring such and such fruit, I do this work. This proclamation is considered as Sankalpa. This Sankalpa involves the prayers of Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, etc. rivers. In this part of Sankalpa, we have to pronounce the name of Samvatsara, means year. The name of Ayana means the two parts of the year. Samvatsara, Ayana, Masa means the name of the month. Ritu means the name of the season. Paksha means the name of the fortnight, and Tithi means the name of the lunar day. The Panchanga, the Hindu calendar, provides the information of particulars of that specific day. Here, one important point must be understood. That is, if we are doing Sandhya Vandanam in South Canara area, we have to chant as Parashurama Kshetre. In the northern part of India, as Brahma Kshetre. And in all other places, we have to chant as Rama Kshetre. Like that.
Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru Gangadyaha Sarvatirtha Devataha Sannihitaha Santu Shri Krishna Krishna Govinda Govinda Vishnorajnaya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatamanvantare Ashtavimshatitame Kali Yuge Prathama Pade Jambudvipe भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणपार्श्वे दण्डकारण्ये गोदावर्याः दक्षिणे कूले शालिवाहनशके बुद्धावतारे रामक्षेत्रे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यावहारिके विजयनामसंवत्सरे दक्षिणायने तुलार्के शरदृतौ कार्तिकमासे शुक्लपक्षे तृतीयायां तिथौ सौम्यवासरयुक्तायां शुभनक्षत्र शुभयोग शुभकर्ण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायां शुभपुण्यतिथौ अस्मदादिगुरूणां श्रीमन्मध्वाचार्याणां हृत्कमलमध्यनिवासि वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध चतुर्मूर्त्यादि अनंतावतारात्मक श्री सवितृनामक श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण प्रेरणया श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण प्रीत्यर्थं प्रातः संध्याम् उपासे। अथ मार्जनम्।
मार्जनम्। आपो वा इदगुं सर्वं विश्वभूतान्यापः प्राणा वा आपः। Like this, Yajurveda mantra goes. This mantra extols the greatness and the efficacies of the water. Water is the life source of all creatures. The performer should sprinkle the water while chanting this Marjana mantra over all parts of his body. Now I am going to show the procedure of Marjanam. The performer should take the water like this and sprinkle on 9 parts of his body. First at the feet, second at the head, third and fourth at the chest, fifth at the feet, sixth and seventh at the head, eighth at the chest, the ninth one at the feet. Like this, Marjanam must be done. According to scriptures, Lord Indra got rid of his sin of killing Vishwarupa Acharya by performing this Marjanam and chanting the mantra of Marjanam.
आपोहिष्ठेति त्रिऋचस्य सूक्तस्य आम्बरीष सिन्धुद्वीपऋषिः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः आपो देवताः मार्जने विनियोगः। ॐ आपोहिष्ठा मायो भुवः ताना ऊर्जे दाधातन महेरणाय चक्षासे यो वः शिवतामो रसाः तस्या भाजयते हनाः उशतीरिव मातराः तस्मा अरङ्गमामवः यस्य क्षयाय जिन्वाथ आपो जनयाथाचनः। अथ जलाभिमन्त्रणम्।
From morning till evening, from evening till morning, we ourselves engage doing good and bad deeds using our body. This Jalabhimantrana prayer means that may the gods of Sandhya purify all my sins performed in the entire day and purify my soul.
सूर्यश्चेत्यस्य मन्त्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः प्रकृतिश्छन्दः सूर्यमामन्युपतयो रात्रिर्देवता जलाभिमन्त्रणे विनियोगः ॐ सूर्यश्च मामन्युश्च मन्युपतयश्च मन्युकृतेभ्यः पापेभ्यो रक्षन्ताम् यद्रात्र्या पापमकार्षम् मनसा वाचा हस्ताभ्याम् पद्भ्यामुदरेण शिश्ना रात्रिस्तदवलुम्पतु यत्किञ्च दुरितं मयि इदमहं माममृतयोनौ सूर्ये ज्योतिषि जुहोमि स्वाहा ॐ अथ आचमनम् ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा अथ अर्घ्यप्रदानम्
Arghya-pradanam. This Arghya-pradanam event is one of the main parts of the Sandhya-vandanam. The demons called Mandehas, by the boon of Lord Brahma, having so much power, try to swallow the sun god every day. Then the sages called Valakilyas, they offer Suryarghyam while chanting the Gayatri mantra to ward off all the evil forces. It is our duty also to perform Arghya Pradanam and to be part of the protection of the world. Arghya means puja material. Pradanam means offering. At the time of sunrise and sunset, this Arghya Pradanam